pleasant good evening to one and all, friends, families, and loved ones of the bride and groom. My name is Umesh, and I'm the best man. We are all gathered here to share this magical moment with Bima and his newlywed bride. When I asked Matthew to tell me what he actually fell for, and of course to tell me a little bit more about Sasha, his exact words were, Sasha is one of the very few who is young, educated, and an all-rounded independent woman who doesn't need to rely or depend on anyone. Woman power. She is a very stable girl. She has a little sassiness about her, and I like that. When it comes to appearance, there is nothing she loves more in this world than them. She's very passionate and heartwarming towards them. And by fresh, she just gets me. She accepts me for the person I am, the real person. I don't need to act or be fake around her. She understands my ways, both good and bad, my family and friends, my goals, likes and dislikes, and the list can go on and on. She's definitely down for me, no matter what, supporting me at my highest and bringing me up at my lowest.
And as you say